Confirmation's come through. It's time for you, Tim, to pack your bags. You've got to take Sam to Dubai. A customer got in touch about his Audi R8 and he wanted the GT spoiler that we produce retrofitting onto his car. He's got a retractable version. This is the big fixed wing, so he wants the full conversion. He's getting a few other bits and pieces done as well. So parts have landed. I am going to be sending Tim and Sam out to do the install. So you guys at home would have already seen the B-roll, the parts of the actual process being done. Tim behind the camera hasn't even done it yet, but for the time being, company credit card. I will be watching what transactions go through there. And there's your tickets. Pack your SPF 50, it's going to be a warm one. These guys are going to crack on, head over to the airport, and we'll see you guys on the other side. Enjoy the trip, Tim.
So we're here at the hotel. Tim and I have just finished breakfast. Not such an early start today because the workshop we're using doesn't open quite as early as Dan. Take note. It is, however, 6 o'clock UK time, so it's about right. As you can see, Dubai behind me. It's nice and hot. We're going to get going now. We've got about half an hour to get sorted and get down to the workshop. Hopefully, back by lunchtime, jump in a pool. So we're here at Mission Motorsport. Follow me inside because it's already too hot and I'll show you what we're up to. So as you can see, quite a common sight for us. Have our fixed wing kits to fit to this car. It's actually the first time we've done a conversion from a active wing car to a fixed aero wing, and we're doing it thousands of miles away, so what could go wrong? But we've test fitted it all on our car, obviously. I'm happy it's ready to go. Got everything here that I need, apart from a bit more AC. Time to crack on. So we're at the end of a very long and hot day. As you can see, our Swan-Neck looks just as good in Dubai as it does back home. So it's all installed. I'm happy with how it's all gone, which is good because I don't really have many options out here. I've also popped on a couple of carbon mirror caps for the customer whilst I'm here. So all that is left is to say thank you to Arnie and the guys here at Mission Motorsport for their time, tools and hospitality, and air conditioning, most importantly. I'm just about comfortable still. And also to the customer for having us out here to get this job done and installed for him. So like him, if you do have any international requirements, you can hit us up. Tim will come and do it next time. I'm taking a holiday.